Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make vegetable fried rice with fried chicken. First we are going to put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil into the boiling pan. Then we are going to put as much of salt as we desire for some taste. After a couple of minutes, I'm going to pour in the rice into the pan and stir it well. The rice is done. Now I have some sliced vegetables for the rice. I also have garlic ginger paste and soya sauce. Also, I have 2 eggs and ghee. I have poured the ghee into the pan. I'm going to put the garlic ginger paste in. Then I'm going to put all the vegetables into the pan, and also I'm going to put the soya sauce in. Then I'm going to mix this well. I have mixed all the vegetables in. Then I'm going to put the vegetables in the side of the pan, and in the other side I'm going to put the eggs. The eggs are all fried. Now I'm going to pour in the rice. I'm going to squirt some lemon and put some sugar for some flavor. The rice is all done. I have some raw chicken. I have chili powder, coriander powder, black pepper, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, soya sauce and salt. I have wrapped the bowl. Now I'm going to let it sit for an hour. I'm now going to take out the chicken and dip it with spicy chicken fry mix. After I've dipped all of the chickens, I'm going to fry it. The vegetable fried rice and the fried chicken is all done. It is very yummy and delicious to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the notification on so you don't miss an opportunity watching our videos. Bye!